Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could change the low battery settings and actions. To do that, go to your battery icon on the right bottom, on the bottom in the right side, click with the right button of the mouse and select power options. Next step, we'll click change plan settings. We will click change advanced power settings, and here we will have the options available. Next step, click on battery, and here we will select low battery action. It's before the last option. So this one, you can click on it by double clicking, and here you can select hibernate or shut down. You can do the same for plugged in and change the settings. So once you have changed the settings, the apply option should be available, so you have to click apply and then click OK, and you must restart your computer so that your changes are taken into effect. I hope this video tutorial was easy to follow and was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment with the full description of the issue and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us, you can always press like, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.